quick walk around on our HotJet Diesel. This is our HJD high output. Ran one earlier today. This is impressive. I love the crazy purple. Love it on a car too. Take a look at that. We got the German pump design Kubota motor. Hardened stainless steel frame, big radiator. Huge advantage to having that big radiator. Stainless cover, but you still got access to everything. That's the beauty of it. Full adjustable hitch on the front, heavy duty jack, Arkansas safety toolboxes, full easy to change filtration system, hydraulic pump, antifreeze system, fancy wheels. We can do signage right on the side here. Thanks Smith Plumbing Group. Full hydraulically running, premium valving, premium hose reel. Thanks Haney, build a hell of a reel. Full rear controls, both throttle, soap injection, all your valving, high deck German valves, rear lighting, strobe light, remote reel control, as well as power wash. 2 ways to fill the water, fast fill and garden hose. You can also recycle up and in right here. If it's cold, or if you're working on property, you need to just leave it recycling. Full control box, our remote control, best of the best. Temperature control, we're setting this at 110. We don't want anybody getting burned. Hour meter, I don't know if you can see that, get out of the sun. Deep sea electronics, full waterproof there. Emergency shut off, signage. These toolboxes are the best. I didn't really open those. Just a quick walk around here. Got our vacuum pump, Tiger Tail, our Total C. I'm gonna close that on right here thinking about it. So Total C, we had a jug in there. Fill it with water, turn the valve on. Huge diesel tank. That's nice. Burner system on the back. It's a Wayne burner. Great access to everything. Filter. None of this is tucked away. I see a few guys getting those vertical burners. Good luck to you. Wait till you got to work on it. Call us, I'll tell you why. Hydraulic pump, just like what you got in your car. Fuel filter, injectors, all that's right there, man. That's the beauty of this unit. And the power and how it cleans. Choose your color trailer. I saw this one, I thought, man, that is a good looking rig. That'd catch my eye. Take care, thank you.